Hello, welcome to Cook It Simple channel. Today I am going to make pasta. I have taken 250 grams of spiral pasta. You can take any type of pasta. 2 big tomatoes chopped. 2 medium size onion chopped. 1 bowl of green peas boiled. 1 big carrot chopped. 1 capsicum chopped. 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup. 2 green chilies chopped. And for garnishing I have taken spring onions, few pieces of garlic, few pieces of ginger, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili. You can take ordinary red chili also. 1 teaspoon of garam masala, salt as you require. Now I have taken enough water to submerge the pasta completely in a pan. This much of water is enough for the pasta I have taken. To this I'll add little salt and some oil. After a few seconds, the water is getting heated and the bubbles is coming. Now I'm going to add the pasta. This is the correct time to add the pasta we have taken. Now I'll mix it well and cook it on a medium flame until it gets softer. After a few seconds, we'll check whether the pasta has been cooked. Yes, the pasta is cooked well. It took 5 minutes to boil. Now I'm taking the pastas and I'm going to place it in a strainer. Let the remaining water comes out from the pasta. Now I'm going to take the tomatoes in a mixer jar and I'm going to grind it finely. Now the tomatoes are grinded finely. Now I am going to place a vessel on the gas stove and switch it on and put the required oil in it. When the oil gets heated, I am going to add the ginger and garlic pieces. Then I am going to add the onions in it. Now I'll saute the onions. I'll add some salt in it so the onions may turn golden brown as quick as possible. Now I'm adding the carrots in it and I stir it well. We are not going to boil the vegetables, so I'm going to stir it well. After the carrots are boiled well, now I'm going to add the capsicum and the boiled green peas in it. Now I'll stir it well. Now I'm going to add the grinded tomatoes in these vegetables. And I'm going to stir it until the color changes. Now I'm adding the green chilies. And I'm stirring it well. I'll add all the masala powder in it. I'm mixing it well now. Where the vegetables and the masalas are combined well. Now I'm adding the tomato ketchup. I'm adding a little water. Now I'm going to add the cooked pasta in this gravy. Necessity of adding water is because the pasta and the gravies are combined well. It could be combined easily when you pour water in this mixture. I'll stir it well now, such that the gravy and the pasta are mixed well. Now the pasta and the gravies are mixed well. I'm going to garnish this pasta with spring onions. Now the pasta is ready with a fabulous aroma. Look how colorful the pasta is. You can enjoy it with your kids. If you find this video helpful, like, share, comment and subscribe to Cook It Simple channel. Thank you.